type the numbers, whatever you have completed. Only 2. Oh my God, what is this one here? Why only 2? And the last Friday itself we discussed, no, you guys need to take yourself some time and try to complete it. I thought at least not 5-10 programs you would have completed. Only 2 you are telling. Did we start? Couple of you completed full 20, very good. Couple of you 2, 3, 4, it's not good here. Using your Wipro mail ID, you should have done. Have you done that? 16, 17. All 20 programs you need to complete. I don't know why everybody are not able to do. What is the challenges you are facing? You need to tell me here. That too, it is a common Java language, right? For something new, I agree. All 19 is there, 20th one also I will give it to you. I guess this is the program which you guys have. All the metal programs. I am told use personal mail ID for the metal programs. Okay, fine. So the point here is you should have done after joining the program. It is not like I have already done when I was in the talent next. So I will not be able to do that. Excuse should not be there. After joining, that is when is your join date was there for interns program? Last week, right? What was the date? 20? When did you guys join? 10th of March. No. I'm telling technical session. When was the technical session started? 14th. So almost 10 days over. Okay. So almost 10 days over means you, after joining 14th, if you are using your personal mail ID, then we can go for it. Is that clear, team? Please try to complete it. Now I wanted everybody to focus that and complete. Who and all 14. Good, yeah. Everybody are 14. How come? I don't know. Okay, fine. So remaining are there. I wanted everybody to complete that. So who and all have completed, you can go to the next topic, that is with respect to polymorphism, right? That was the topic which I got the update from your mentor. Mentor is suggesting you to do that remaining chapter. Next week she will join and continue with you guys. So method overloading is there, which is available if you are using personal laptop, Wipro laptop, you may not be able to get this. So who and all have completed, you can just focus on this method overloading. Who and all have not completed, I wanted you to complete that metal program and focus on method overloading. Class management is asking weekly attendance. Please contact the Wipro point of contact, which is there in your college. So each college will be having a point of contact from Wipro. So you need to ask them. For example, you can ask your placement officer. They will be knowing the Wipro point of contact. They can get you the details, okay, regarding the attendance or whatever. I didn't understand what you are telling. Sir, in my Wipro, there it is showing one task. I didn't understand. In my Wipro, there is Kiran. I will unmute. Can you just speak what you are telling, Kiran? I didn't understand. Tell me, Kiran, what is that you wanted to talk? I didn't understand what you are telling, Kiran. Yeah, tell me, Kiran.
In my Wipro portal, there will be seeing some tasks, sir. You need to complete one task is pending like that. In Wipro provided Wipro mail ID, sir, for everyone. In inbox also there is showing you need to complete the task. Like that one mail is came, sir, for us.
What is that task it is showing?
Somewhat it is behavior task you need to complete.
No, behavioral training. It is training related. Yes. For you, it is not there. It is for the regular employees. You are in the internship program, so for you, it is not there. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. This is showing for in my section.
Yes, sir. For all it is showing, sir.
What it is showing, ma?
1 minute, sir.
Tell me the details what it is showing, or you can share the screen and tell me also. In my mail, there is some prevention of harassment, like etc., which we have to come. No, don't worry. It is not for you guys. If you want, you can also complete that program if you are having access. It is a mandatory program which is across the organization. Everybody need to complete. Okay. So regular employees will complete because you have the email ID. For you also it is triggering. If you are having access, you can complete. If you don't have access, don't come. No
Yes,
need
sir.
to worry.
They were asking to register it for it, sir. After registering, it will be opening.
That's what, Ma. If you are having the access, you can proceed. If you don't have the access, no need to worry. It is not mandatory for you people. Okay, because you got Wipro mail ID. Because of that only it is there. But you guys are in an internship, right? So
Okay,
for
sir. Yes.
that, no need to worry. If you are having access, better you can complete that one. You need to follow some disciplinary process within the
Yes, sir.
Wipro. That one of them is prevention of harassment. So that is the process. This is for regular employees. Everybody should do that one. For you also, if it is triggering and if you are having access to that link, you can proceed.
Okay, sir. Sure. Sir. Thank you, sir.
I didn't understand what is that metal showing Lahari. Can I add Pro email
Hello,
ID
sir.
in my laptop? Yes, tell me, Lahari.
Sir, no, sir, it's not Lahari.
Who is this? Ajit. Huh?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Tell
can
me,
I
Ajit.
upload certificate for BGV with one backlog, sir?
I didn't understand, Ajit. What you are talking?
Can I upload certificate for BGV with one backlog?
Where you want to upload?
Background verification, sir. For
That
background
link, I
verification.
think you guys will be getting. No, you can upload in that
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes, sir. Can I upload it with one backlog?
I don't have that much clarity on that one because I don't relate. For that, there will be a different mail ID. No, you can just
Sir, we have a
just
connect
check
session
with
today,
that
sir,
mail
in the
ID. They
morning,
only
10
will be
o'clock.
responding
Hello,
because this
excuse
is
me, sir.
related to the placement related activity. There will be a separate team for that. It's not related to the training team. If you're having backlog without backlog, I don't think so. They will appreciate. But anyhow, you can just check that one by dropping a mail. You have a one point of contact mail ID, right?
Yes, sir.
Just drop in that one. They will let you know that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because I am not involved in that department. That is why we are into talent training department, talent transformation department.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, today morning we have a connect session, sir, about the BGV, sir, background verification. If you want to upload any documents, we need to upload from within 30 days, sir. They have provided 30 days deadline. We need to provide the internet copies also if it is not having the original mass cards. We can provide the internet copies by placing signature of authentication in the college at the station. We can provide it, can upload it in the Embark portal, sir.
Okay, so that is this clarification. That is what just somebody was asking whether I need to update. So that is fine.
That's why I'm saying, sir.
Thank you very much, Bharat. So I hope you got it details, Ajit. Because I am not into that department, I will not be able to help you out in that. That is why. Okay. So let us come back to our activities part once again. So I wanted everybody to please complete whatever I have shared. Please try to complete that. So around 20 programs are there. Complete. Who and all have completed what they need to do. They need to go to the next topic, whichever I have shared. Is that clear? Please focus on this. So 4 o'clock once again I will come and join. So there will be any last date for completing the metal online assessment. Is there any last date? See, there is nothing last date. If you have not completed, you will not have confidence in writing your assessment. Point one. Second point is nothing but we need to give the confirmation everybody have completed and we'll have a random check on that. So you should have completed, but exercises mandatory. You need to complete. Otherwise, you will not be able to allow to take your assessment. There will be assessment after 30 days. That will become a challenge. Is that clear?
Sir, for doing that metal programs, we can use our Wipro mail ID, sir, which we have delivered
Yes,
to the Wipro.
any mail ID you can use. Any mail ID you can use. Not at all a problem. Put your employee ID or what is that resume ID, whichever you have received. Put that as your data for employee ID place. That's all.
Okay, fine,
Sir,
sir.
but ma'am told us to use superset ID, sir.
Yeah, superset ID, fine. Go ahead and use that. Whichever Wipro has given, one information should be available in that. That is what I'm
Okay,
telling.
okay, fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
can I add my Wipro email ID to my laptop?
Which laptop?
My personal laptop, sir.
How you can add there, I don't know. I didn't understand that one. You want to add
I mean-
into your personal laptop, where you wanted to add?
Sir, in our account section, sir. Email and account section in laptop. I want to add it.
For example, instead of Gmail ID, you wanted to put Wipro mail ID. Is that what you're telling?
Yeah, yes, sir.
How Gmail will accept @wipro.com?
No, not in Gmail, sir. In our laptop email account section, no, there is the email and account sections. So we have to add different email IDs so that our laptop can get access of what the email IDs are.
You mean to say from your personal laptop you wanted to access all Wipro mails? Is that what you're talking?
Yes, sir. Like Outlook and
Yes, you can
Microsoft.
configure the Outlook. If it is allowing you, you can configure. But only thing is you are not supposed to download anything. That usually will not allow. I don't know whether it will allow because there will be a security breach in that case. So definitely it
Yes,
will
sir,
not
that's why
allow
I'm
you to do
asking,
that.
sir.
If there is a security, for example, something related to Wipro, you can download. No, you will be able to send from your personal laptop to Wipro laptop, or from Wipro related information you can send it. So that it will not allow, as per my knowledge, only mails you can see, but you cannot upload anything to the.
Okay,
You cannot download anything. That option will be there. You can see your mails in your mobile, or you can see your mails in your this one. That is fine in your personal laptop. But
Okay, sir.
don't try to download something which is very confidential. For example, Wipro will be sending some material contain that it is internal. What you will do, you will try to download and post it in your personal laptop. That will become a challenge, is what I'm telling. Understood what I'm telling, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We have done it and it does not get allowed.
It usually it will not allow you, but if it's allowing also, this is a security breach will be there. So that will become a concern. Okay, apart
Sir,
from
could
this
you give us a
non-training related,
brief about
This
your assessment?
internship is anywhere related to onboarding process, sir.
come again, Kaushik, Vishal, tell me.
So is this internship anywhere related to onboarding process, sir?
Yes, it will be related only, but what I mean to say is 90% you may be getting into that project, whichever is there. It will be connected to the onboarding only. But see, this internship mainly is for what? You guys are having the final year project. That final year project, we are able to support you. After that, if the requirement is there, you will be observed as a first preference for this particular part. It is something like you are undergoing a training. Okay, after that, if you are having any relevant project, you will be observed for that.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah, chances are very high.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, but nothing like promising thing. Like you will be definitely given a project 100%, but 99% yes, it will be allocated for you. Why I'm telling you that reason is now you are getting trained in what? You are getting trained in one of the technology, for example, automation. So after this, it is not mandatory you'll be getting automation project only. You may get something related to Python or .NET. So that you need to go one more training. That way I'm telling.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now I want everybody to please focus on the learning point rather than getting the answers for the other non-training related part. Please focus on completion of the activities. No, there is no team. Any confusion here? I wanted you to complete till 4 o'clock. I want everybody to be here. Rakesh, yeah. Rather than telling Selenium testing for web application, automation testing for web application holds better. So Selenium is an automation testing tool. You can tell automation testing for web application looks better. College is asking for the project title and man can told it, yeah. But yeah, this is what tentatively you can do that. Depending upon the groups, we will be making groups. So depending upon the groups, it may change little bit, but this is what you will be doing. Automation testing for web application is what the main core area which you will be focusing on. Because the learning is many other things. You will be learning some CI tools and all. Continuous integration, I mean to say DevOps tools and all, learning will also will be there. And final project will be on this one only, Selenium automation with the web application. See, assessment will be of two types. As I told you, MCQ plus logic building. Logic building, you will be having 60% weightage. Weightage I'm talking. And MCQ will be having 40% of weightage. MCQ will be all the topics, whatever is there in your PBL app, except whatever that is a QTP, all the topics will be there. Logic building will be there 60%. That is why I'm telling you guys to complete that logic building part. This is how it will be considered, MCQ plus logic building. See, all without I want everybody are mainly asking questions which you don't want to focus on learning point of view. I wanted you guys to focus on learning. Metal questions, please complete. That you focus. See, these and all are non-training related question. You tell me, Vishal, whom should you ask? I may not be the right person to answer for you. I don't get SGPC, get 1-2 full semester now. Wipro mails me to re-uploading the memo sheet again. So you should ask that concerned team for whom I gave you the the mail ID which you guys are there. Kaushik, there will be no technical sessions from my end. Tomorrow I will be taking you the testing concept. Before that, I wanted you guys to complete this. I wanted the clarification whether you guys have completed. Who and all have completed, they can focus on the next topic of Java, because I request Kameshwarin to complete the Java. I will be taking from tomorrow the new topic called as testing concept. Metal showing contact mentor. I didn't understand what you're telling, Kochi. Can you share your screen? I think you have not given the correct mail ID. If you have not given don't repeat that mail ID only. Mean to say, for example, you would have used mohan@wipro.com. I am giving example. Or kuchi@wipro.com. Don't use that same mail ID. Use kuchi1@wipro.com. Just change that mail ID and reuse that. Others, please focus on your completion activity. Yeah, tell me, team. Say, I was in the other batch also parallelly. That is why I just came here. So I hope you have understood what we need to complete for the day. Before we leave, I wanted everybody to complete the metal programs. So tomorrow I will be taking the new topic for you, that is testing concept, which is there as a part of yours. So remaining topics of Java will be continued from Kameshwari only next week onwards. That is Monday onwards, we'll be connecting you back. Meanwhile, I will complete a new topic called testing concept. So with that, I like to sign off for the day. We'll catch up tomorrow and we'll start up with the new topics. Please join tomorrow. So okay with time. With that, I like to sign off. Thank you very much for joining today's sessions. We'll catch up tomorrow. Thank you.